Hello everyone. In continuation to our set theory, in this problem, we'll understand how effectively we can use Venn diagram to answer many of the questions, right? With one single Venn diagram, we'll try to answer all these questions. A survey on a sample of 25 new cars being sold at an auto dealer shop was conducted to see the following three popular options. Air conditioning, radio, and power windows were already installed. The survey found 15 had air conditioning, 12 had radio, 11 had power windows, 5 had air conditioning and power windows, 9 had air conditioning and radio, 4 had radio and power windows, and 3 had all three options. Find the number of cars that had like this. Lot of questions. We'll see all these questions subsequently. First of all, we'll consider what you call this air conditioning. Let A equal to air conditioning. Then R equal to radio. Then P equal to power windows. So we have three different categories. So we'll create a Venn diagram having three circles. The first one is of air conditioning, and radio is the second one, and third is the power windows. Now, what are given in the question? 3 had all the options. So based on this, I will write in the centermost 3. Then we have 4 had radio and power windows. Radio and power windows is 4. That is, this radio and power windows means this part is 4. Already 3 is there. That means this has to be 1. Then 9 had air conditioning and radio. Air conditioning and radio. That is, this portion is 9. Already 3 is there. So this will be 6. Then 5 had air conditioning and power windows. AC and power windows. That is, this part is 5. Already 3 is there. That means this will become 2. 11 had power windows. Power windows circle should have 11. This circle should have 11. Already 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 1, 6 is there. 11 minus 6 becomes 5 here. Then 12 had radio. Means this circle is 12. Already 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. 10 is there. 12 is the total. That means this has to be 2. Then 15 had air conditioning. Means this circle is 15. Already 9 plus 2, 11 is there. 15 means this has to be 4. And then it says 25 new cars is being surveyed. That means the universe has got 25. Or n of universe is 25. Okay. Now, find the number of cars that had only power windows. Power windows, only power windows means this one, this 5. 5 will be the answer. Only air conditioning, that is this 4. So this is 4. Only radio is this 2. Then only one of the options. Only one of the options means these 3 I have to add: 4, 2, and 5. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 5, 11. At least one of the options. At least one of the options means it is union of all these A, R, and P. So that means we need to add all the numbers. 4 plus 6, 4 plus 6 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, and then finally 5. So let us add 10, 12, 15, 17, 18, and 23. None of the options means we have the total score surveyed as 25, and we already got the union of all the 23. So that is the difference. So 25 minus 23. So it is 2. Okay. Power windows or air conditioning means be this circle or this circle. So this circle, whatever it is, and this circle, that means 2 should be ignored out of this 23. So straight away I can say 23 minus 2, which is 21. Air conditioning and radio, that is this part, 6 and 3. I have to add 6 plus 3, which is 9. Exactly one option. Exactly one option means I should choose this 4, 2, and 5. Which is 11. Only one of the options or exactly one of the options, these two are same, right? Exactly two options. Exactly two options means I should add this 2, 6, and 1. Which is 8 plus 1, 9. At least two options. At least two options means uh, intersection of this versus this means this 2 and 3, which is 5. And then this 3 and 1, so it is 4. And then 6 and 3, it is 9. And I should subtract, what do you call this, 3 2 times. So what do we get? 9 plus 9, 18. 18 minus 6, it is 12. Then power windows or air conditioning. Power windows or air conditioning, but not radio. That means I should ignore this 4, 6, 3, and 1. I should consider only this 4, 2, and 5. Which becomes 11. Because power windows or air conditioning means this A union P, all these numbers will come, but not radio condition is there. That means I should ignore this 6, 3, and 1. That means I should add only 4, 2, and 5. So it is 11. In case if you find the contents of this video to be useful to you, I request you to please like it, share it with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.